welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. So today we'll be doing a process or tutorial video of the scrapbook. It is not actually a whole tutorial video. I'm just showing a base tutorial of this micro miniature scrapbook, which is just 3 into 3 centimeter. And I already did a review of another micro miniature scrapbook before. So if you're not yet watched it, go watch it out. I'll be linking it in the description. So I thought, why not do a base tutorial of the scrapbook today. And yeah, hope you all like it. Scrapbook is something that everyone loves. So yeah, let's get into the video. We got our pages here like this. Okay, it's all right. Yeah, so now we will be having like this, like A shape, then a V shape, then again a A shape, then like V shape. So like that we'll be having. So these spaces are for making our pockets. So when you get an A shape, when you turn your page like this, you will get a space like this. See? Yeah. shapes. So do the same with all the shapes, then stick. By the way, I got the papers, the scrapbook papers from Amazon. So I'll be linking it in the description. You can go and check it. So guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Hope y'all like it. Today's was a base tutorial of this micro miniature scrapbook, and and I personally loved it. And if you need a review of the scrapbook, I didn't do anything inside, I'll be doing it soon. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn on those post notifications so that you won't miss any of my latest videos, because I post twice a week. So yeah, I'll be back with another craft video. So till that, bye bye.